So working on the Rx-7 right now, making the mounts for the intercooler. Yeah, I'll get back at it. Got the intercooler mounted, sitting up there, and right now the rad is kind of supported in with some zip ties and a jack down here. But that's kind of how it's going to be sitting. Trying to get a better view of it. So I got to make mounts for that yet, and then hopefully I'm done with that because I hate making mounts. Wouldn't you say?
Mounts suck.
Miller's growing his hair out though. Man, does he look cool.
You're zooming in, aren't you?
Oh.
You're zooming in. I can see the smirk on your face when you're zooming in.
So we can't figure out how to get this bumper off to save our lives.
I hate
The whole side here is loose.
Mazda. I hate Mazda.
That whole side is loose. The other side is loose.
Center bolts, under tread bolts.
The whole bumper moves. Yeah, yank on it good, Mills. It won't come off.
Like really?
Yeah, yank on it.
It's like right.
So if there's still a bolt, we can't see it because we looked all in there. We can't see a dang thing. How's your day, Andy?
Fantastic.
What'd you get done today?
I bought a new pair of Nikes.
So, got the V-mount tacked in. There she sits. And now I gotta take everything out, weld all those brackets, and then paint them up. So I just finished welding these brackets in, so once those cool, I'm going to probably paint over them. Not too sure yet because I might cut this whole front end off here and tube it out. I'm kind of undecided yet if I want to do that or not. Also just finished welding tabs on the rad, so I'm also going to paint the intercooler and the radiator black. Now, oh my god, I'm going to paint them black. That's going to ruin how well the intercooler and radiator can transfer heat. Well, a little story about myself. So my full-time job, I might have said in another video, I work in industrial gases. But what I actually build is liquid cryogenic containers and processing systems. So I deal with really cold stuff that has to do with a lot of heat transfer, because when you're dealing with liquid helium that's at negative 430 something degrees, you know, something that's, you know, negative 200 degrees will cause that to boil off. So it's super critical on you know, heat transfer. So I actually know a lot about thermodynamics, and although you'll watch videos like, you know, Engineering Explained, he made a video disproving Mighty Car Mods about them painting their intercooler black. You know, they're actually both somewhat wrong. There's a little bit of truth in both of those videos, but not a total truth. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make another video kind of explaining how the system really works, and I'll even run my own tests to prove the concept. I'm not going to get all into the science about it right now in this video. However, just keep your eyes peeled for that. It'll probably stir up a lot of controversy on the internet and on YouTube. However, when you're right about something, you know, you kind of got to stick to your guns. We have the beautiful turbo manifold crafted by myself. Covered in dust and spider webs right now, but it'll do all the fun. Alright, so Miller didn't find the manual in time, so I just torqued her with my heart. But it should be pretty cool. This is the turbo that's going on the Rx-7. It's a Borg Warner 366. Ooh. Nice little turbo there. And then to control the boost pressure, I'm running dual 38 wastegates now. USA, company out of Asia, let's just say. These are eBay wastegates. You might be thinking to yourself, but Dan, why are you going to throw eBay wastegates in such a nice car? Because I put these wastegates on, 1,000 horsepower Evo that broke 2 world records, amongst other cars. And these wastegates are actually really good for the price. So, normal tile wastegate are only like $250. These are like 80 bucks, and they come with, all the different springs that you need, your clamps and your flanges. The only thing I do is I never use the flanges they come with because they're carbon steel. So when I make my manifold, I always weld on stainless steel V-band flanges. But we're gonna have, I'm undecided yet if I want to go out the hood, but I'm probably gonna wind up having them both pointing down and then having them come out and collecting and then either shooting down, or I might even tie them into the exhaust back here. I'm not really a big fan of the loud external wastegate shutter noise, but yeah.
We are among the few that don't enjoy open wastegate.
Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna actually like fully mount the turbo just yet. I still have to take it apart and weld the V-band on the back side of the housing, which just makes it easier because the flange that comes on the Borg Warner turbos, I don't like. They're called a Marmon flange. It's just a goofy flange. The only other thing you want to do after you're finished welding is, because you're welding two dissimilar metals, it'll help to let things cool at a slower rate, just because both difference in the metals, they harden at a different rate. So what I'll always do after welding onto a turbo housing like this is I'll wrap it up in a fiberglass welding blanket, and this will actually help it cool at a slower rate. So I kind of just wrap it up in a ball like that, set it aside, and let it cool slowly.